Guys, good morning, good morning. Today we're gonna change up counterbalance on this lip cylinder. Yeah, counterbalance, or somebody call this a cylinder protection valve. But here in where I am this place, it's only counterbalance. This is a lip cylinder for this boom. Alright guys, so this is a S85 Genie. So I put this because this counterbalance, if I remove that, it's 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 gonna all the way down. So for safety, I put a blocking on this telehandler. See, it's blocking on this boom. Yeah, all the way down here. So that's why I have a protection, because if I down it during I change it, I don't have a room. It's going down, I don't have a room over there. So yeah, these two, I have a new one here guys. So by the way, I have a new one. This is two. Yeah, both are the same. Yeah, this is a counterbalance valve. So this is from manufacturing. This is the 3000 psi. So why I changed this, why I need to change this guys? So because the problem is, sometimes if during hang up like that, in how many days is slowly going down, and sometimes it's not going down, but it's hard to going down, sometimes can't go down. So that's a protection counterbalance valve. Okay guys, so I need to change this. Of course, we need this oil pan to put on the bottom to make sure it's not, we don't have oil spilling. Okay, let's go. To being safety guys, so you always go in the side, do not sitting on the center here, because make sure if this boom is collapsing, or my hanger or the boom to support is collapsing, at least you are safe. You go sit, your position is always on the side, do not here on the center. Okay, so use the oil pan and get a 13 sack of trenches. Okay guys, this is to going up, and this is to going down. Okay, so I trying to going down first, and make sure to go in the side, and be aware because we have a pressure. Stand on this side, okay guys. So okay guys, so one knockdown. Yeah. And this is the new, so check are the same PSI. Yeah, it's both are 3000 PSI, so should be good. And yeah, so put it back. This is, we don't have a torque guys, so it's depend of you if how many, as long as you can, but do not too much tight, because now other one side, so go other side. Okay, this side. Hey guys, so keep slowing down. So yeah, just wait until we stable, because still cracking down, going down. So just wait. See, if you heard something like that, so stay away. Alright guys, so I think we don't have enough pressure now, because I'm waiting almost 30 minutes, but still shaking like that. So be careful. Guys, so good. Just quick change it, and this is the new. It's almost the same, 3000 psi. And then boom, it's done. So tightening. Good, it's already done. So it's no missing oil, because you pour in the oil pan. Yeah. Alright guys, so already done. Okay, I already changed it, and it's still on tight on my support. Okay, and that's it. That's the best way to change easy to counterbalance valve. Okay guys, we hope you enjoy my video, and thank you so much. Again, what is the how to work this counterbalance? Just supporting your prevent, at least if you blow up your hose, still holding the pressure on the cylinder. Because if you blow up the hose, if you don't have a counterbalance, your cylinder is going down, and also into going up. If you don't have a counterbalance, yeah, it's easy to going up, but the going down, it's easy too. It's no safety. That's the purpose of the counterbalance, is for safety purposes. Thank you so much. Have a good day.